Torrential slide cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $14.2600 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchanged cost range, 14.1100 15.3900, or so they in every practical sense thought. The earlier day close, 14.8400, which in a real sense is very critical. The change sort of was 0.5800, 3.91%. Which fundamentally is very critical. Reverse rate, United States dollars to Avax, which is very critical. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, walk 13, cost $15.49, greatest 16.57, genuinely least 14.41, which is genuinely critical. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $14.59, by and large greatest 15.61, exceptionally least 13.57, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $13.65, sort of greatest 14.61, fundamentally least 12.69 in a sort of enormous manner. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, walk 16, cost $13.42, truly greatest 14.36, lovely least 12.48, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, cost $13.74, most extreme 14.70, fundamentally least 12.78 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week torrential slide figure on Monday, walk 20, cost $13.66, kind of greatest 14.62, in every way that really matters, least 12.70 in a significant way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $13.18, extremely greatest 14.10, least 12.26, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $12.73, genuinely greatest 13.62, genuinely least 11.84 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, walk 23, cost $12.52, by and large greatest 13.40, genuinely least 11.64, exhibiting how torrential slide figure on Thursday, walk 16, cost $13.42, essentially most extreme 14.36, genuinely least 12.48 in a for the most part enormous manner. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, walk 24, cost $12.98, especially most extreme 13.89, exceptionally least 12.07 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, walk 27, cost $12.43, extremely greatest 13.30, sort of least 11.56 in a significant way. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $12.06, genuinely most extreme 12.90, especially least 11.22, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $12.41, by and large most extreme 13.28, especially least 11.54, which especially is very huge. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, walk 30, cost $12.09, certainly greatest 12.94, truly least 11.24, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, walk 31, cost $11.23, especially most extreme 12.02, essentially least 10.44 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks torrential slide figure on Monday, April 3, cost $10.94, for the most part greatest 11.71, kind of least 10.17 in a quite huge manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost $10.40, exceptionally greatest 11.13, in every way that really matters, least 9.67 in an extremely significant way. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, April 5, cost $10.65, all things considered, greatest 11.40 in every practical sense, least 9.90, which explicitly is very critical. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost $11.28, especially most extreme 12.07, really least 10.49, which certainly is very huge. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, April 7, cost $11.26, exceptionally greatest 12.05, truly least 10.47, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about a month, torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost $11.29, fundamentally greatest 12.08, really least 10.50, or so they especially thought. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, April 11, cost $11.69, most extreme 12.51 in every way that really matters, least 10.87, United States dollars to Avax conversion scale pretty equivalent to 0.0701 coins per $1 in an unobtrusive manner. Today's reach, 0.0650 0.0709. The past day's nearby, 0.0674. Which essentially is genuinely huge. Change for now plus 0.0027, plus 4.01% in an all things considered significant way. United States dollars to Avax cost gauge for, in the not so distant future and month, or so they thought. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Monday, walk 13, cost 0.065 coins, kind of greatest 0.069, sort of least 0.060, which generally is very critical. United States dollars to Avax expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 0.069 coins, kind of greatest 0.074, most certainly least 0.064, genuinely is opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 0.073 coins, really greatest 0.079, truly least 0.068. So today's exchanged cost range, 14.1100 15.3900, or so they generally thought. United States dollars to Avax forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost 0.075 coins, especially most extreme 0.080, exceptionally least 0.070 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Friday, walk 17, cost 0.073 coins in every practical sense. Greatest 0.078, beautiful least 0.068, really in spite of prevalent thinking. In multi-week United States dollars to Avax forecast on Monday, walk 20, cost 0.073 coins, truly greatest 0.079, by and large least 0.068 in a kind of huge manner. Dollar to torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 0.076 coins, kind of greatest 0.082. Especially least 0.071, which really is very critical. United States dollars to Avax forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 0.079 coins, kind of most extreme 0.084, really least 0.073 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to torrential slide figure on Thursday, walk 23, cost 0.080 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.086, least 0.